You said, "Yep, I'm pretty sure that's the answer." And then what did you do? You went in the back, you checked it in the index or the appendix or whatever, and said, "Yeah, I got the right answer," or "No, I went wrong. Here's where I went wrong." That was you doing cross-validation, right? So cross-validation is the process that a model goes through to teach itself. Okay? So when you hear things like that, what is cross-validation? Just give that type of answer, because that's the type of answer that your stakeholders are going to want. You may know about the folds and this and that, but your stakeholders don't care about that, right? So like when I ask that question in an interview, Joseph is giving pretty close to a model answer, right? Yeah, so really the only thing I would add to Joseph's answer is that it's the process that a model also goes through to train itself overall. It's basically how data science is achieved, right? Because you don't just you don't just say, well, here's a math formula, here's my data, go to it, right? Cross-validation is that process where all of that is mixed up. So I'm emphasizing that because that's why it caught my eye, right? It's the documentation you read on APIs is not always going to say how to train your model, right? They're going to call it by its proper name, which is cross-validation.